like me and you're obsessed with this aesthetic, here's everything you need to know to become the ultimate it girl of summer 2025. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Nicole. Welcome back to the Picsart YouTube channel. Today we're breaking down some ways that you can absolutely thrive on socials this summer. Everything from filters to vlogs to photo dumps. If you want to know how to become the ultimate it girl, here's your guide. First and foremost, let's talk about the ultimate trend of the summer, which is the Canon GX7. I, like everybody else, have fallen for the propaganda of how amazing these pictures look. They look so nostalgic and so effortless and so cool. And as somebody who has spent hours learning how to edit and color grade and all these things, nothing can come close to emulating the feel that this camera does. That is until now. So here's how I recreate this exact look to make it look like this on Picsart. Obviously, I'm opening up the app and the first thing that I do is go over on the effects panel and you can just scroll over to the summer section and there's a few combination of filters that you guys can use over here. Some of my personal favorites include saturation plus HDR4, and this is gonna give you this look. NTRL1 plus APR2, it's gonna get you this look, which is my personal favorite. And then SFT2 plus Film 4 is gonna get you this look. So you can just go around and play with the different combinations. If your pictures don't have flash, you can still recreate this look using these filters and mess around with the adjustments of the pictures, highlights and shadows to be specific. The best thing about this is that you can also use it in your videos. Moving on to fonts, if you have been anywhere on socials, you have probably seen things like this all over your For You page. And mastering a font combo is honestly hours of work. I have spent so many hours just trying to find the perfect script combinations, but because we like you so much, we just did all the hard work for you. So you can actually just go over to our summer font category. There's gonna be already a lot of different font combinations that you can just use. I love journaling, so I'm a huge fan of just having text in your Instagram pictures. Taking a photo like this, if you want to make it Instagram story worthy, just write whatever you were gonna write with a normal Instagram font, just using the summer fonts. Again, the difference that it makes is huge. This is what it would look like just without a filter and the normal Instagram text, and this is what it would look like if I took time to edit it. Speaking of journals, the last thing that I'm gonna be showing you today is the collage. If you've ever seen me on this channel or over on our socials, which by the way you should go and follow, you would know that I'm a huge fan of photo dump collages. I just think they're so cute and they just bring something more interesting to your Instagram feed, and you can make this super simply using Picsart templates. You just go ahead and choose the images that you want to include and then import it onto the template. You can just go ahead and replace images if you want to change something out, if you want to add something in. Something that I absolutely love as well is just like mixed media, and I think that's super in the summer. If you're gonna go on a trip, save everything from postcards to receipts and just play around with it. And using a combination of all of these, I think is going to really just spice up your Instagram and your socials. And I can't wait to see more people use these because I think we should make social media fun again. Stop being so boring. If you guys do try this out, make sure you tag us at Picsart on Instagram and TikTok. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe because we bring new videos like this every single week and they're always very useful. So, and having said that, I'll see you next week. Bye.